Most people get ad spy tools wrong by assuming they all deliver the same insights, but Adplexity offers a level of detail that can be a game changer for marketers. Adplexity is a competitive intelligence platform that tracks ads across multiple networks, including native, push, and adult traffic. The surprising truth? You can see live ad campaigns, their landing pages, ad creatives, and even traffic sources. When I tested it, I discovered high-performing ads I would have never found using other tools. Setting up is simple. You choose the network you want to spy on, filter by country, category, or device, and start exploring campaigns. Most people get this wrong by only checking top ads. They often miss hidden opportunities in niche markets that can outperform saturated campaigns. Adplexity also provides metrics like estimated daily spend, ad duration, and conversion insights. While exact numbers aren't always 100% accurate, they are reliable enough to make informed decisions about which campaigns to replicate or test. In conclusion, Adplexity is a must-have for serious marketers who want to stay ahead of competitors and discover profitable ad campaigns. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of niche insights. The data can save hours of guesswork and improve ROI dramatically. Subscribe for more honest marketing tool reviews so you can grow campaigns smarter and faster.